So you are what you think. That's really what it comes down to. Your mind is like a factory. What comes out of it is made of what is put in. So what you focus on is what you become.
Pay attention to what you feed yourself. What do you spend your time consuming? Are you reading the negative news, or are you reading something that can actually fulfill you or make you a better version of you?
If you want to become something and you focus on that, if you want to live a healthier life, if you want to make yoga part of your daily practice, when you focus on that, that's how it happens. You can't say, hey, I want to include this in my daily living and then expect to think about it when the time arrives. It's what you focus on. That's what you will become.
And keeping that focus on a daily basis is what helps you keep that commitment to yourself. And it allows you to set those goals, set those weekly goals, monthly goals. And once you have those goals written down in front of you, you have that laser beam to use to focus on that goal.
And it's never going to be easy. It's going to get hard, and you have to stay focused, and you get through it every single time you get to where you want to go.
It's like setting your sail of a ship. You know, if you don't set a destination, you're going to go the wrong direction. But once you set that destination for yourself and stay to your commitment, you will get there.
All right, guys, we're going to begin today at the back of your mat, standing with your feet together. Let's start with a big breath in, reaching both arms up to the sky. And then exhale, slowly releasing yourself all the way over to your forward fold and walking into a high plank position. Simply drawing the navel into the spine. Inhale, and then exhale, walk your hands back to your feet. Come on up nice and tall. Reaching the arms up, and let's do calf raises for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and releasing the arms, take it down, walk it over into your high plank, hold it there. Inhale, exhale, walk your hands back to your feet and roll yourself up. Inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. Exhale, 1, 2, reach those heels off the mat. And 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Hold it. Lift and hold, and then release yourself back down. Come on over into your high plank position. Hold it here. Now pull the navel to the spine. We're going to take our shoulder taps. All you're going to do is touch your opposite shoulder with your opposite fingers. 1, 2, 3, just tap it. 4, gently transferring the weight from one side to the other. Keep going. Tap and tap. Reach and reach. Reach, reach. You got this. Just tap that shoulder and hold it here. Deep breath in. Exhale, drop down to your knees, and then let's just release into our child's pose. Reaching the arms over to the top of the mat, feeling that gentle stretch through the shoulders. And then rolling yourself up to your all fours. Let's take our cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back, and then exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, arch, and exhale, round. Inhale, arch, and exhale, release. Let's come back to neutral spine. Go ahead and extend one leg all the way out and come on out to your elbows. From here, we're going to work the glutes. So all you're going to do is first lift that straight leg and then bend the knee. And then open the knee and around for 1. So you're doing a big circle with that knee. Out to the side for 3. And around 4, 5, and 6. Keep going. And 7, we're targeting different areas of your glute. Reverse the circle, same thing. 8, 7, and 6. Big circle. Lift that knee up nice and high. And 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Beautiful. Extending that leg all the way out now. Straight knee and just simply pump that leg up to the sky. Ready? Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Hold it there. Come on up to your hands. Deep breath in and then exhale. You're going to flex your foot and then opening over to the side. First, taking a nice big side stretch. So reaching your fingers to the front of your mat. The opposite foot is reaching to the back of your mat. Deep breath in and then exhale. Let's come up over to that knee. We're going to reach both arms to the sky. Interlace your fingers, index fingers pointing up. Inhale, reach to the side, and then exhale, come on up for 1. So we're targeting the obliques here for 2. This is called your candlestick dipper. See how far you can stretch and then contract the muscle. Stretch and then contract. Very nice. Stretch and reach and pull yourself up. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Reach and pull. Last one. Come on up. And then let's go ahead and release back into that stretch. Hand down on the mat. Inhale, hold it here. And then exhale, let's pivot yourself back into that all fours position. And then come back into that child's pose. Giving yourself an opportunity to catch your breath. And then come on over to your elbows and we're going to take it to the other side. Extend the other leg, bend the knee. Open and around for 1, 2, big circle, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Let's reverse the direction, out and around for 8, and 7, and 6, big circle, 5, 4, and 3, 2, last one. Beautiful job. Go ahead, extend that leg all the way out and give me pumps from the glute. Ready? Exhale 1, 2, lift it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. Hold it there. Awesome. Let's come on up to both hands. Deep breath in. And then exhale, let's pivot on that knee and open up into that side stretch. Now the other arm is reaching over to the front of your mat. The other leg is reaching to the back of the mat. Nice big line here. Deep breath in. Exhale out, reach as far as you can, breathing deeply into that side of the body. Wonderful. One more inhale. And then exhale, come on up to that knee. Reaching both arms to the sky, interlace your fingers, candlestick dipper on the other side. Inhale, exhale up for 1. Reach and 2. Reach and contract the muscle for 3. Reach and 4. Stretch and 5. Stretch and 6. And 7, keep going, and 8, and 9, last one, and 10. Wonderful. Go ahead and come back to that stretch. Reach that arm as far away from you as possible, creating that beautiful straight line. And then once you're ready, make your way over back to your hands and knees. Your leg extended, flex your toes, and then from here we're going to come up to your plank. Deep breath in. Now you're going to bend both knees. You're going to point your knees to one angle of your mat, hips to the other, and then push out into plank. Other side, bend, and then push out. So come to the back of your mat, and then exhale, plank. Twist, and plank. Again, working the waistline here, working the lower abdominals, strengthening your upper body. Good, keep going. Twist and plank. Twist and plank. Twist and plank. Last one. And bring yourself to plank. Inhale, exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, let's open into an upward facing dog. Stretch it out. And then exhale, release yourself back into your downward facing dog. Now take a moment here to really enjoy this posture. Stretch it out, breathe it out. And then once you're ready, hop to the top of the mat. And then slowly make your way over to your mat on the ground. We're gonna do a couple more abdominal exercises here. So once you're ready, reach the arms forward. And then exhale slowly with control, releasing your spine all the way down to your mat. From here, we're gonna begin our abdominal series with our Pilates hundreds. So let's take an inhale, reach the arms over your head, your legs are in tabletop, and then roll yourself up. Now you're either gonna stay here or extending your legs into your Pilates stance. Ready? Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 20. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 30. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 40. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 50. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 60. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 70. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Breathing deeply through your nose. You can do it. Strong arms here, lots of power. You're on your last 10. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Release. Legs up. Let's do our heel crosses. Cross. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Opening up nice and wide. Feel that stretch in the hips, in the inner thighs. Bring the legs together. One more set. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Go ahead and bend your knees into your chest. Arms reaching over. Come over into a little ball. Double leg stretch. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bring it in for 1. Extend and 2. Inhale, open. Exhale 3. Make sure your lower back is pressing into the mat. Your back does not arch as the legs extend. If your back starts to arch, that means your legs are going to come up a little higher from the mat. Keep going. Inhale, open. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, open. Exhale in. Work those lower abs. And in. Very nice. Go ahead and reach both arms up, hands behind your head. Extending one leg out, other knee stays in. Touch your elbow to the knee and open for 1. Twist and 2. Reach and 3. Reach, 4. And 5. Keep twisting. And 6. And 7. Hold it here. Bring that straight leg up to the sky. Flex the foot. Inhale, bring it down. Point, bring it up. Nice and controlled here. Try to stay in that twisted position so your elbow is reaching that opposite knee. The other leg is working with control. Flex and lower. Point and up. Flex and lower. Point and up. Flex and lower. Point and up. You're almost there. Bring it up. Flex and lower. And then let's take our bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Go ahead and release. And then from here, let's take it to the opposite side. The other leg extends. Go ahead and twist and open for 1. See if you can keep that straight leg hovering above the mat. If that's too difficult, then keep it grounded on the floor. Keep going. Twist and open. Twist and open. Opposite elbow to knee. Last one. Hold it there. Bring that straight leg up. Flex your foot. Inhale, lower. Point, exhale, bring it up. This movement is done with lots of control. Don't kick the leg, but slowly lower and slowly bring it up. Flex and lower. point and up. Flex and lower. Point and up. Stay in that twisted position in the upper body. Very nice. Flex and lower. Point and up. Flex and lower. Point and up. Flex and lower. Hold it here. Bicycle twist. One more set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Release. And give yourself a big hug here. Inhale. And then exhale, extending arms and legs away from each other. Big stretch on the mat. Inhale. And then when you're ready, as you exhale, you're going to push those arms forward and roll yourself up to seated. Reach the arms up. And then hands come behind your back, squeezing the glutes and releasing yourself into your reversed upper plank. Hold it here and breathing. Inhale. Exhale out. Slowly make your way down with your hips. And then coming into a seated position on your mat. Sit up nice and tall. Let's take a big breath in, reaching the arms up to the sky. And then exhale, hands to heart. Thank you so much for joining us today in beautiful Sedona. Love and light to you, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye for now.